Hi, I'm in conversation with four newcomers who've excelled in 2024. Their performances were light, they were dark, they were wonderful. I'm in conversation with Laksh, Vedang, Sparsh, and Pratibha for the Danube Properties Filmfare OTT Awards 2024, co-powered by Hyundai. Thank you for being part of this conversation. So, my first question to each of you is which was the film that worked for you most in 2024 besides yours?
For me, I think it's their film, Lapata Ladies, for sure. I remember जब किल गई थी टोरंटो फिल्म फेस्टिवल तब किरण मैम भी आप लोग फिल्म लेके आए थे उस टाइम पे and that time nobody was expecting anything out of that film कि क्या होने वाली है. It was highly anticipated but nobody could foresee कि क्या होने वाला है इस फिल्म के साथ. But when I saw your film, I was genuinely taken aback and something जो सर ने काम किया है काफ़ी बेहतरीन काम किया है उसमें. सब लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छा काम किया है. So you know some films that you see and you feel like यार ये फिल्म ऐसा काम करना है हमें आगे जाके and you want to be a part of such a film. So for sure, Lapata Ladies was one of them.
Manjumal Boys is one film, I mean, unexpected, fresh cast. I mean, not fresh, I mean, we were seeing them for the first time. I think I was seeing them for the first time and that concept was pretty fresh to see. So I think that worked really well for me.
And Bollywood?
In Bollywood, I think Kill. I've not seen the film yet, but I've heard a lot of praises. So...
Okay, Pratibha, you?
For me, it was Girls Will Be Girls, and it ends with us. I think ये दो फिल्में जो मैंने देखी थी मुझे personally I was able to relate a lot with these two films. जब मैंने Girls Will Be Girls देखी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जिस तरह से female sexuality को importance दी है, like small things that you know we don't talk about. वो बताया है. I think you know you just feel good about yourself when you watch such films. So I think Girls Will Be Girls.
मैंने भी देखी Girls Will Be Girls. I thought it was a brilliant film. But these two films, Lapata Ladies and Kill, I think were really the highlight moments of the year for most people, I feel. And Manjumal Boys, I haven't seen, but I've heard great things about it. Malayalam cinema is doing the most amazing things. And yeah, these three, I think Girls Will Be Girls is up there. मैंने वो नहीं देखी है. All We Imagine Is Light. I want to watch that soon. But these three films were up there.
If I had to say one moment from your film which has stayed with you and has changed you in ways, like everybody has one breakthrough moment. Was there one? See, you came with an ensemble cast and there was like crazy amounts of pressure. There were star kids, there were high-profile debuts, and then you're shown amidst it all. So was there any kind of one like breakthrough moment for you in the film?
When we started shooting for Archie, it was my first time actually being on camera like that. You know, in like this professional setup, and उसके पहले सिर्फ workshops में acting होती थी, and then suddenly you're on, you know, the set and doing it in front of this big crew. So it took me a bit of time to warm up. लेकिन you know that scene with Dilton that we've spoken about it earlier also. Yeah. That scene it felt like I'd reached that point where I was now comfortable in the set ka environment. I was okay with the 100 people who are behind the camera also. You're not thinking about these things anymore, but you're living in the moment of the scene. And I really felt it then, and I remember telling Yuvraj also that something special I felt in that scene, and that translated also. So that's a moment I've taken in my life also, ki something when you really feel it, it somehow does translate. Camera somehow catches it, and the people also resonate with it.
But were you at any point intimidated? I mean, there's Zoya Akhtar, then of course you later worked with Alia Bhatt and all of. Were you intimidated by the fact, by your co-stars, and also the pressures? Every today, it's all about. I mean, I'll come to that later. Social media and Instagram and all of that. But were you at any point intimidated by all of the baggage?
100%. It was like I'm coming into this new world. It's like, you know, when you just join a new school and everything is intimidating. You know, you don't know the people, you don't know the teachers, and everyone knows each other. And so it felt like that kind of a thing coming into it. Lekin after a while, everything becomes routine. So all the things that I was, scared of at first, then I warmed up to those things, and then it became like life.
Scared of? Give me an example.
In the environment of the industry, I didn't know anyone. So coming in, not the fact that they were star kids, but they were people who've seen the industry or grown up in it. So suddenly उसमें घुस जाना, it felt like पता नहीं, how I'll fit in. But then also with Archie's, it was just like with Zoya, I think she makes it like everyone is equal. Not just equal, of course equal, but matlab comfortable. She makes it feel like home. I think that was very important for me. अगर वो नहीं होता environment, then I'd probably crumble.
But this was your first time you faced the camera in Archie's.
First time I faced the camera properly, yeah.
भाई कहाँ से लगा ही नहीं है यार ये तो I thought किया होगा पहले काम आपने यार काफी confident लगा है काफी तो बढ़िया यार तू ना भी बोलता तो मान लेते कि हाँ ठीक है किया है तूने काम पहले.
So you were talking about your breakthrough moment. You're talking the baggage, Amir Khan Productions and Kiran's directing and all of that. So was there like a moment when you said, "Oh yeah, I've cracked my character."
I think for me, there was a lot of unlearning before I started learning something. Because, before that, I've done TV. I was doing TV. And then my TV show got like, okay, ठीक है, अब हम वो नहीं कर रहे हैं because of some reasons. And then I started auditioning again. And then Lapata happened. When Lapata happened, I realized so much about craft and acting. And when with Kiran ma'am and Amir sir, you see it in a very different way. Like Amir sir, he will always say that only do it if your heart says. And if you're able to feel it. And Jaya तो इस तरह से लिखा गया कैरेक्टर था कि मैंने एक एक चीज़ अपनी लाइफ से इतना रिलेट किया है. एंड जब हम वर्कशॉप्स करते थे जब हम सेट पे गए तो फर्स्ट 2 days यू टेक अ वाइल टू गेट इन द कैरेक्टर बिकॉज इतना डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर है मैंने वैसी दुनिया कभी देखी नहीं है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट बट सेकेंड डे से ना आप एक फ्लो पकड़ लेते हो एंड जब आप वो फ्लो पकड़ते हो ना देन यू रियलाइज सो मच एंड यू by the end of the film you'll realize that you've actually changed as a human being because you'll adapt those good qualities of your character.
Like give me one specific instance.
स्पेसिफिक इंस्टेंस जैसे जया का जो कैरेक्टर था ना वो कहीं भी जाती थी शी विल मेक श्योर टू अप्रिशिएट पीपल अराउंड हर फिर चाहे वो कुछ भी हो लाइक आई रियली पिक दैट थिंग ऑफ हर्स क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता आपका एक अप्रिसिएशन का वर्ड किसकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज कर लेता है लाइक आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल आई वाज इन 2nd grade एंड आई वाज अ बैक बेंचर तो मेरे स्कूल में डांस के लिए मैम एक लीड गर्ल को चूज़ करी थी एंड आई वाज सिटिंग इन माय वर्ल्ड एंड मैम सेड लिसन यू या प्रतिभा यू डांस वेरी वेल एंड दैट डे माई लाइफ चेंज्ड उसके बाद से दैट स्मॉल अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ हर्स आई फेल्ट सो कॉन्फिडेंट उसके बाद से मैंने रुकी नहीं हूँ मैं स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना सो आई थिंक दीज थिंग्स रियली मैटर हम आज के टाइम पे वी आर सो सेल्फ इन्वॉल्व सो सेल्फ कंज्यूम्ड कि हम देखते नहीं है कि वी डोंट टेंड टू अप्रिशिएट समवन जो हमारे साथ में है सो आई थिंक दिस वन क्वालिटी आई लाइक maybe picked and I want to pick अगर अभी मैंने consciously नहीं की है but I want to keep that with me.
I think one specific beat in the film where my character Deepak proposes to his wife, the type of honesty and while I was performing I was feeling that honesty and the magic that Vedang is talking about where you forget everything. So that honesty, I want to put in every moment of my life. I think where if I'm sitting here, I want to be completely here, that honest with every moment. So that one specific thing I would have picked. I mean, I've picked that. I'm trying to nourish it and polish it to be present and, just be honest with every moment in life. So yeah, that's what I've picked.
But what a moment that was, huh? I still get chills. Like, what a moment, acted so well. And that moment, like that, it stays with all of us. Yeah? That scene.
I think that's the honesty, bro. I mean, whatever you perform honestly, it conveys, as you said.
See, I have only killed people in my film.
Don't pick that.
किसी ने पूछा मुझसे what is the message you are trying to send? मैंने कहा मैं मार रहा हूँ बस मैं क्या मैसेज दूँ इससे यार सारे गलत ही होते जा रहे हैं मेरे तो
Something in it must have changed because also see what happens is when you're doing such an intense it's not you, right? And you're living somebody else's life and you're playing some character which is completely alien to you and suddenly sometimes the lines blur and you start behaving like the character and stuff like that.
I think see it wasn't a particular scene I would say it was an incident that happened on the set. तो हुआ क्या था कि हमने 70 दिन लगातार इसके लिए शूट किया था उसी जोन में हो आप खून देख रहे हो अपने आसपास बॉडीज देख रहे हो अपने आसपास हथियार देख रहे हो अपने हाथों में तो आप एक सिनर्जी में आ चुके हो एक जोन में आ चुके हो और आप हर दिन ये कर रहे हो सुबह उठते हो आप जाते हो आप 4 को मारते हो वापस आते हो फिर सुबह उठते हो फिर मारते हो फिर वापस आते हो और यही चल रहा है आपके आसपास आपके सेट पे मतलब इट्स अ डार्क सेट पीपल आर नोबडी स्माइलिंग तो एम्बियंस वो सच कि कोई हंस नहीं रहा है कोई किसी से बात नहीं कर रहा है तो एक दिन मुझे याद है जब निकट जो रोमांटिक गाना हमारे सेट पे बजा लोग पागल ही हो गए कह रहे रोमांटिक गाना कैसे आ गया फिल्म में यार मतलब लोग अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे उस चीज़ से सो व्हेन वी गॉट डन फिल्मिंग द एंटायर थिंग व्हेन द 70 days वर ओवर एंड दे सेड इट्स अ रैप फॉर अमृत दैट्स माय कैरेक्टर नेम एंड द होल सेट जस्ट started clapping and the applause went for like 5 minutes nobody stopped So that's the moment that stayed with me. तो ऐसा लगा कि यार 70 दिन आपने एक project को दी, एक मेहनत की.
But देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
देर आए दुरुस्त.
Which is interesting what you said, coming to my, all of you have had some sort of TV background. Well, you've done the wonderful Jamtara also, besides your, did that television baggage sort of hamper you at any point while you were making the movie? Like, is the, obviously the mediums are different, but is the craft also very different? Or?
Craft is very different, and I feel because we were in good hands. Like when Kiran Rao is directing you, like magic will happen that moment. And I've realized this thing that अब मैं कोई second project भी करूँगी, I want to unlearn things so that I can learn freshly. It's very important to adapt, keep learning, keep adapting. But so I think that is one thing that I experienced, that I managed to unlearn a lot of things and then learn new things. And Kiran ma'am like really supported me. So when we were auditioning, that time मेरा audition हुआ था, तो मैं किरण मैम और आमिर सर के पास गई थी audition के लिए. तो they really told me that you have very expressive eyes. Just play with your eyes because that is doing the magic for us. अब मुझे टीवी में कभी किसी ने ये समझाया नहीं. वहाँ तो मुझे बोला कि क्योंकि आपको कितना कुछ शूट करना है एक दिन में, you have to deliver. तो आप आ रहे हो, शूट कर रहे हो, जा रहे हो. Just to pay attention on those small details, I think that is what I learned on the set of Lapata.
I think the technical training that you
Yeah.
go through in TV that you can't learn anywhere else.
Okay.
इतना टेक्निकली आपको साउंड कर देता है कि कैमरा कहाँ है, लाइट कहाँ है, आपको जहाँ मतलब इट्स जस्ट एज शी सेइंग हमें 20 मिनट फुटेज डिलीवर करनी होती है दिन की, 20 या 22 मिनट, जो नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल है. लेकिन करते हैं तो वो चीज़ ट्रेनिंग बन जाती है. हालांकि वो थोड़ी एक्टिंग की जो एज यू सेड कि वो मीडियम अलग है, तो छोटा टीवी है तो एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी अंडरलाइन, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी बोल्ड, तो एक्टिंग थोड़ी सी उसमें करनी पड़ती है उस तरह से, लाउड एज व्हाट वी कॉल इट. व्हेयरएज इन फिल्म जब मैंने भी ट्रांजिशन सबैटिकल लिया था तो शानू वाज मेंटोरिंग मी दैट टाइम, शी वाज ऑडिशनिंग मी फॉर अ फिल्म. सो शी सेड तू बेच रहा है अपनी एक्टिंग. सो टीवी में आपको बेचनी पड़ती है अपनी एक्टिंग, अपने इमोशंस को बेचना पड़ता है. फिल्मों में क्या है, थोड़ा सा इंटरनल प्रोसेस है, अंदर फील करो तो दिखेगा, तो थोड़ा वो फर्क तो है.
I think fortunately I have got some great directors while working on TV. One of them is Siddharth Sen-Gupta, who's Kali Aankhein is there. So he was directing me for Balika Vadhu and
He's made Andheki also.
Andheki as well. Yes. Aparan also. So while so Balika Vadhu was one of my first serials, and that's because I don't come from an acting school. So that's where I've learned a lot of craft because my director was so good. I remember this one brief moment where I gave a shit take and he yelled at me. He said something and I cried. And that in that anger I performed the another take and he loved it. So I think TV have really worked for me in that sense. It have, polished my craft somewhere.
But they always say TV sort of brutalizes you as an actor. Is that true?
लीड एक्टर की वाट लगती है सर, बिकॉज लीड एक्टर को ना दिन भर पूरे महीने शूट करना है
बाय 25 दिन 28 दिन
और हर फ्रेम में वो है
14-15 घंटे.
तो मैं टीवी में लीड नहीं था तो सेफ था.
बट मेरे साथ क्या होता था, मैं सुबह आती थी एंड मुझे सुबह आके रोना है, लाइक फ्रेश आईज में उठी हुई, आई एम पुटिंग दैट ग्लिसरीन इन माय आईज एंड क्राइंग, एंड मैं तो लाइक आई वेंट थ्रू अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग टेलीविजन.
कितने टेक्स में होता है? लाइक डू दे लाइक मेक इट क्विकली? दे
यार यू गेट सो ट्रेन्ड ना, आपको पता है वो ट्रॉली चार्ज
नहीं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आपका बैंक कितना है. अगर आपके पास 7 एपिसोड का बैंक है तो आराम से शूट होगा. अगर आपको कल रिलीज करना है तो फिर कट.
हमने सुबह शूट किया और शाम का टेलीकास्ट है वो, हमने ऐसे भी शूट किया है.
सो दैट्स क्रेजी.
अच्छा एक बार तो मुझे रोमांस करना है नागिन के साथ. अब तो नागिन को क्या है, वो क्रोमा पहना के रखा है लड़की को और वो चेंज ही नहीं किया. वो एपिसोड में जब टेलीकास्ट हुआ है तो वो क्रोमा पहन के आदमी दिख रहा है, वो फाइन पड़ा है फिर इसको, टाइम ही नहीं है.
वाओ अमेजिंग.
एक एक्टर के यहाँ पे कुछ खाना अटका है वो दिख रहा है, कुछ टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है एक्टर को कुछ करने का. कुछ भी हो रहा था.
प्रेशर होता है एक्टर को कि मतलब इतने में ही डिलीवर करना है.
प्रेशर होता है यार, फिर वो पर डे की बात होती है तो फिर हम सॉर्ट हो जाते हैं.
और मेरे साथ तो एक हैबिट अभी भी है, लाइक लाइट जा रही है, मैं लापता के सेट पे भी हूं एंड आई एम वरिंग अबाउट ओ शिट डे लाइट खत्म होने वाली है, वी हैव टू, आई एम लाइक काम डाउन. यहां पे
सुबह
सब
9 बजे आ जाएंगे सर, लाइट जा रही है.
बट आई रियली लाइक इट व्हेन द थिंग्स आर रशिंग. आई लव इट. Yeah.
So you're like this chaotic. Hectic
I love the chaotic ambience.
Yeah, you're trying to deliver your best.
Me, I haven't experienced this, but in life I love that. When there's a time pressure, suddenly something just comes.
Kicks in, yeah, for sure, 100%.
And now for the At Home with Danube Properties segment. Is there any place that has influenced, okay, do you have a favorite corner in your home? And is there a place that you've traveled that has influenced that corner in your home?
For me, Kashmir. I went to Kashmir very recently while being a Kashmiri. Last year was the first time that I visited. First time that I visited with my family, and that was probably one of the most special trips for me. Because my parents, they spend a lot of time in Srinagar. So I'm from Srinagar. तो उन्होंने बचपन में काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड किया होगा because their parents are from there, and they were literally showing me around the place like, they're not from Bombay. Both of them are from they've grown up in Delhi. So Bombay उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे नहीं दिखाया, मुंबई ऐसे नहीं दिखाया जैसे कश्मीर दिखाया उन्होंने. They were like ये गली में यहाँ पे हम लोग खेलते थे and यहाँ पे इस डल लेक के सामने ये होता था. That was really special for me. And just वो कश्मीरी culture, कश्मीरी घर देखना, वो सब I kind of took it to our house also. मेरा एक वो मन में एक बात रह गई कि I want to get a Kashmiri rug for the house, and we did. कि like a very Kashmiri उनके prints होते हैं, very typical prints. So we actually did get that for the house also. But that whole trip was just really enriching for me, just to see how things have changed, how much Kashmir has evolved, all the things that used to be that are not there anymore, and the new things that have come up. So that was really interesting.
I think for me it's my pottery class. बिकॉज ग्रोइंग अप मैं अपने जब गांव में होती थी तो हम लोग मिट्टी से बहुत खेलते थे और मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाया करते थे. एंड आई रिमेंबर आई वुड लाइक सिट सुबह से 11 बजे से लेकर शाम के 4 बजे तक, और मैं बस वो कर रही हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है लाइफ का क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. आई थिंक दैट रियली कनेक्ट्स मी विद माई चाइल्डहुड. एंड प्लांट्स ऑल्सो लाइक ग्रीनरी, बिकॉज मैं पली बड़ी ही इतना ग्रीन मैंने अपने सामने देखा है ना. जब मैं मुंबई आई ना, मैंने बोला यार ये क्या है, यहाँ कहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं. तो मैंने अपने घर में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स उगाए, एंड मैंने वो खुद से किया है. मैं बाहर जाके मैंने प्लांट्स खरीदे नहीं. आई वांटेड टू प्लांट देम ऑन माय ओन. देन आई वुड पुट अ लिटिल विश एंड आई वुड टॉक टू देम. आज भी इफ आई एम फीलिंग लिटिल लो, आई विल सिट विद माय प्लांट्स, आई विल टॉक टू देम. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट माय डैड डज, क्योंकि वी हैव एप्पल फार्म्स. तो वो रोज़ सुबह शाम को 5 बजे फील्ड्स में वॉक के लिए जाते हैं, एंड ही जस्ट इंटरेक्ट्स विद द ट्रीज. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक. एंड या आई थिंक इट जस्ट कीप्स द इनर चाइल्ड अलाइव.
I think not just the actors who are acting every day, but जो common लोग भी हैं ना मेट्रो सिटीज़ में, they are also acting somewhere. किसी को बॉस के लिए कुछ करना है, किसी को किसी के लिए कुछ करना है. बट गाँव में आप जाओ, कोई बिल्कुल एक्टिंग ही नहीं है. मतलब they are the most honest people I meet. तो मुझे गाँव में जाना, गाँव देखना बड़ा पसंद है.
But is there something of that you replicate in your home?
मेरी पैदाइश राजस्थान की है. अभी रिसेंटली मैं जोधपुर गया था, तो आई गॉट रियली इंस्पायर्ड बाय द टाइप ऑफ पेंटिंग्स दे हैव, द रग्स दे हैव, एंड that small turban that they wear. So I think when I make a house and मैं उसको डिज़ाइन थोड़ा सा राजस्थानी टेक्सचर के साथ करूँगा.
I think for me it's my Delhi house यार, जहाँ पे पला बड़ा हूँ मैं. वो घर की इतनी यादें हैं, because अभी 10 साल 11 साल हो गए हैं बॉम्बे में रहते. तो जब वापस जाते हो, पुराने दोस्त मिलते हैं आपको, पुराने रिश्तेदार मिलते हैं, वो आपको वैसे ही देख रहे हैं. उनको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा आपकी फिल्म आई है या आपने कुछ अचीव कर लिया, वो वैसे ही देख रहे हैं. अरे आ गया तू? मैंने कहा हाँ आ गया. तो नॉर्मल है उनके लिए, तो दे मेक यू फील नॉर्मल. And which very rare to find in the city, because यहाँ पे थोड़ा सब चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ा के रखते हैं आपको थोड़ा. तो वहाँ पे सब नॉर्मल आपको फील होता है. पुराने दोस्त मिलते हैं, वही गालियाँ हो रही होती हैं, वही बातें हो रही होती हैं उनके साथ.
But is there anything when you've traveled that you try to replicate in your new home?
I mean, my parents' aesthetic sense is very different from mine, so I can't replicate that in my house.
But do you all have a favorite corner in your house?
I think my couch where I sit the most and watch TV and read. वही मजा आता है मुझे.
Do you have a where you play music?
My bed.
Your bed.
Where I sleep.
But you don't have like a thinking something like that where you play your music, any kind of this thing. Do you have like a
No,
music
there is
room?
a corner where I play the guitar. So I guess, but I don't treat that as some thinking corner or whatever. But I sit there and I play the guitar.
तो मेरे घर में एक कमरा है जिसका मैंने नाम दिया हुआ है क्रिएटिव रूम. तो if I'm editing something, if I'm writing something, if I'm playing something music, तो वो सारे काम मैं वहाँ पे करता हूँ. तो वो कमरा मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
So now, obviously, since we are talking about music, I can't let you guys go without singing. So what we would...
What a segue.
But you said music, so I picked
Lovely.
on...
Now that we're talking about
before
music,
I wrap
I
up
saw the smoke on your face before that even happened. You loved that
Not
transition.
smoke. You played into my hands. Too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to sing his song, and I'm going to ask you to sing Sajni Re. How about that?
या चन्न खो जावे तन्नू संग रखना, कुछ ना होवे या सब हो जावे तन्नू संग रखना. वड्डी तो वड्डी कोई भी फौज आवे तन्नू संग रखना. दसे या चन्न खो जावे तेनू संग रखना।
आप मुंबई आ सकते हैं।
ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे सजनी वे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे।
Well done, well done, well done, well done. Has there been any kind of intense experience that each of you have faced while, I mean, it could be off shoot, on shoot. Has there been any kind of experience that each of you has faced?
When I shot for Lapata, उसके 2 साल बाद लापता लेडीज रिलीज हुई थी. And now, you know, when you're doing TV, you have this constant habit of working. You want to work every day. You can't sit idle. And जब मैंने लापता शूट कर ली थी तो मुझे ये बात की रियलाइजेशन थी that okay, you know, I am a part of a certain film जिसको एक अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल सकता है, एक होप है. पर उसके बाद जब मैं वेट कर रही थी ना, आई थिंक दैट वॉज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पीरियड इन माई लाइफ. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता. एक तो यूर अवे फ्रॉम योर फैमिली, यू डोंट हैव लाइक सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स हियर टू यू नो मेक योर सेल्फ फील कि चलो ठीक है, यू नो वेट कर लेते हैं, फिल्म आ जाएगी. पर आपको काम करना है बिकॉज आपको वो आदत है काम करने की, एंड यू इन्जॉय बीइंग ऑन सेट. तो मेरे लिए वो वाला एक थोड़ा सा फेज था वेर यू नो बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन हुई लाइफ में. एंड अगेन आई एम एक्चुअली ग्लैड वो सब कुछ हुआ, बिकॉज वो जो जितना आपको आपका डाउनफॉल सिखाता है ना, कभी कभी आपको आपका सक्सेस उतना नहीं सिखा पाता है. तो उस मोमेंट पे आई वुड लाइक इंट्रोस्पेक्ट अ लॉट. आई वुड नोट डाउन माई पैटर्न्स. आई वुड सी कि मुझे ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिस पे काम करना है. मैं एक्स्ट्रा स्किल्स डेवलप करने लग गई थी. मैं अपनी क्राफ्ट को और पॉलिश कर रही थी. सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ देन आई मैनेज माई सेल्फ.
You, Vedang, was there any kind of intense moment that you had?
ड्यूरिंग शूट
Or off it?
जब जिगरा के लिए शूट कर रहा
Okay,
था,
yeah, Jigra.
so उसमें एक सीन था where I get lashed, so I'm on the wooden एक पट्टा बनाया था, and I was on that thing, and the shot was angled in a way कि वो उसने एक real लकड़ी पकड़ी हुई थी in his hand, and he was hitting the frame of the wooden frame on the side so that it looked like I'm taking the hits, but I wasn't. So 15 lashes थे, and during the take what was happening was he was trying to hit, if this is me, he was trying to hit this wooden frame on the side, but वो मुझे थोड़ा end में लग रहा था यहाँ पे, and it's like a real wooden cane. So in the third or fourth hit, I got hit and I felt it. So I'm like, okay, you know, let me just keep going through
You
it.
didn't slap him back.
And of course not. And the adrenaline in the shot, matlab, I'm sure he must have faced it in so much action he's done. वो तो कुछ नहीं था, एक बस एक scene था, but like that wooden cane was hitting me, and it hit me like 3 times, but I didn't even feel it in that adrenaline of the shot, because in your head you're already feeling the pain, because there was so much screaming and so much adrenaline. And बाद में देखा तो it was bleeding. I picked my shirt up and like there were 3 like lashes that are bleeding, and I still have those marks that have not gone. So in my head this was my like, you know,
Big intense moment.
yeah, matlab, it really wasn't, but like I realized ki, okay, these kind of mishaps happen. Even when I was seeing other people do action in the film, somebody got hit in the first take, somebody got punched in the first take. I mean, this must be 1% of what you know, like a full-on hardcore action film must be facing. So yeah, I realized that, you know, this is all because after Archie's, you know, saving the park and all that, uske baad ye karna, it was a different challenge.
Sparsh?
I was shooting for Jamtara, and there's this in season 1. There's this one scene where मैं और जो मेरी दूसरी कैरेक्टर है गुड़िया मोनिका, वी आर इन द खेत, और हम वहाँ पे मैं उसको बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने तेरे भाई को नहीं मारा, एंड देन शी स्टार्ट स्लैपिंग मी. सो आई रिमेंबर कि हमने वो पूरा सीन कुछ 3 टेक में कंप्लीट किया था. सो यू लाइक कि ब्रो हम फेक नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज द कैमरा इज़ सो क्लोज. इफ़ यू वी डूइंग, अगर हमने फेक किया तो वो आएगा ही नहीं परफॉर्मेंस में. तो मैंने कहा तू मेरे को मार, तू जितना मार सकती है मार ले. तो एक टेक हुआ वाइड, उसने मारा ताड़ 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 ताड़, गाल थोड़ा सा सूजा. फिर उसके बाद मेरा क्लोज हुआ, मैंने कहा अब भी मार, ताड़ 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 ताड़, थोड़ा सा और सूजा. अब उसका क्लोज है, मैं दिख भी नहीं रहा हूँ, बट उसने फिर भी मुझे फेला. I think that was really intense for
But
me.
that was a very nice scene.
I mean, it came out really well. I'm glad कि सिर्फ वो 3 टेक में हो गया. अगर 4-5 टेक हो जाते तो आई थिंक वो ज़्यादा इंटेंस हो जाता
वो
कुछ।
स्वेलिंग का कितने दिन में कम
वो
हुआ?
सर रही थी, मतलब इस वाले गाल पे कुछ 3-4 दिन थी वो स्वेलिंग।
वाइड में तो
But there's no-
सेव्ड इट यार, वाइड में तो
बट भाई वो वाइड भी मिड वाइड था, यहाँ पे था। I was like, bro,
थप्पड़ चीट करना बहुत मुश्किल है, थप्पड़ आप चीट ही नहीं कर पाते।
और इसका ना परफॉर्मेंस फेक हो जाता है आई थिंक, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है। आई थिंक इतने मंजे हुए नहीं हैं अभी हम।
लापता में मुझे भी तो थप्पड़ पड़ा था। इनिशियली वी वर ट्राइंग टू फेक इट, और फिर मैम ने बोला मार ही दो, तो मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है मार दो, पर आई थिंक वो एक टेक में हुआ था, 1-2 टेक्स।
Where the husband comes and slaps you in the police station. Oh my god, okay. But it did look like really that you got slapped.
Yeah, it was an actual slap.
Another thing I got from all that you said was your audition process. I'm sure you all have done hundreds of auditions and you all have got rejected and they've said horrible things and all of that. But can you quickly run through some crazy, weird, eccentric audition, something that you
आई
remember?
थिंक लापता लेडीज़ का ऑडिशन वाज वन ऑफ दोज फॉर मी, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन का टाइम था और मेरे घर पे ट्राइपॉड नहीं था जिस पे आप हैंग करके यू विल शूट योर ऑडिशन, एंड इट वाज अ सेल्फ टेस्ट। तो मैंने वो चावल के डब्बे में एक डंडे को गाड़ा, उसके ऊपर फ़ोन को बैलेंस किया सो दैट आई गेट दैट विंडो डे लाइट, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई रिकॉर्डेड द ऑडिशन। So yeah, this is one of those.
But like, were there auditions where you got rejected? That's quite funny actually. But were there any auditions where you got rejected or somebody said you're absolutely shit and much more shittier actors finally?
not fit is the typical one. Not fit, सीधा not fit बोलते हैं। But luckily, I don't think I experienced somebody who said कि तुम बहुत बेकार हो and all that. I don't know. I think that was, I don't know if you guys experienced it, where they just said that you're really bad, but you can just sense that like they don't care. सबसे worst होता है कि when they know, when you enter and they already know कि ये right नहीं है, so they, you know, they're not even paying attention. I used to hate that कि मतलब मैं, you know, you're coming in with something, at least for that time I wish that they gave me that attention कि अच्छा ऐसे, you know, we can do the audition this way, but you know that they're not interested.
But it's always a casting, not the director, but his various assistants who are
हाँ, but the director तो कभी नहीं होता था, वो तो you go to a audition room and
by the assistants.
yeah.
It's
But
never
you know,
the
I have a
main-
good way to deal with the rejections. I celebrate them. So there was one audition that I gave before lockdown, and I got rejected. I was really shelved कि यार shit, ये तो मेरे को करना ही था ये वाला show, और नहीं हुआ. So I just gave myself a party. I went to a मतलब मैं अपने आप को sizzlers खिलाने ले गया मैं अपने आप को. So I celebrate my rejections.
सही है यार। अच्छा, once I got this audition from, I won't name the casting director because सभी वाकिफ हैं उनसे। तो अब स्क्रिप्ट मिली है तो उसमें लिखा है रणवीर और बॉय, तो मैं सारी रणवीर की लाइनें और बॉय की लाइनें, तो मैं सारी रणवीर की लाइनें याद करके चला गया। मैंने कहा रणवीर कैरेक्टर होगा यार, मेरा नाम कैरेक्टर का, और पहला साल मेरा बॉम्बे में आए हुए, आई एम 18 years old, मैं दिल्ली से आया हूँ, मुझे लगा मैं शाहरुख खान हूँ भाई, मैं अराइव हो चुका हूँ, मतलब स्क्रिप्ट आ गई याद में, तो मैंने सारी लाइनें रणवीर की याद कर ली। मैं गया, कह रहे सर ओके एक्शन, तो मैंने बोलने लगा तो कह रहे सर आपकी लाइन तो है ही नहीं, आपकी तो बॉय की लाइन है। तो मैंने कहा मैं बॉय की प्ले करूंगा यार, कह रहा नहीं सर रणवीर सिंह है ये। मैंने कहा ओ, तो मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था यार वो, मुझे बता तो हाँ, एड्स भी तो वही है, डैंड्रफ का एड था, मैं वो लड़का जिसके कंधे पे डैंड्रफ था। मैंने कहा भाई मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा ये, पहला साल हुआ है, घर वालों ने भेजा है कि कुछ करेगा और डैंड्रफ लेके बैठा है।
आई थिंक फॉर मी तो आई थिंक ऑडिशनिंग जब मैं आई थी ना शिमला से नई मुंबई में, जस्ट टू बिल्ड कॉन्टैक्ट विद पीपल मेरे लिए बहुत इंटिमिडेटिंग था, बिकॉज यू नो यूर अ गर्ल एंड समटाइम्स यू नो पीपल विल कॉल यू टू रैंडम हाउसेस, क्योंकि तुम्हें नहीं पता कौन सा लेजिट ऑडिशन है और कौन सा लेजिट नहीं है। एंड मेरे साथ एक टाइम एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था दैट मुझे किसी ने बोला कि ये एक साउथ की फिल्म है, इसमें बहुत अच्छा कैरेक्टर है, ये है वो, आप मीरा रोड आ जाओ। मीरा रोड में तो कोई ऑडिशंस नहीं होता है, मोस्टली आराम नगर में होते हैं या महाडाम में मैक्स टू मैक्स, चलो गोरेगांव, उससे ऊपर तो नहीं होगा। पर मैं फिर भी गई बिकॉज मेरा ये था कि मुझे एक भी ऑडिशन मिस नहीं करना है, देखा जाएगा जो होगा। मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ, वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा रूम है, वहाँ स्पेस है, लाइक 3-4 men सिटिंग देयर, एंड मैं डोर पे देख एंड मैं डोर पे देख के 2 मिनट तो ऐसी हो गई थी, ये क्या है। देन आई एम लाइक ओके लेट्स गो इन, अब आई हूँ मैं यहाँ से भागूंगी थोड़ा ना। मैं बैठी एंड देन दे लाइक कि दिखाओ अपना सेल्फ टेस्ट दिखाओ, तो सब फ़ोन पे रिकॉर्डेड था। मैंने कहा ये देखो, एंड देन दे सेड यू नो हाउ टू डांस। मैंने बोला या आई नो हाउ टू डांस। मैंने बोला, मैंने अपना फ़ोन उठाया एंड आई रैन आउट फ्रॉम देयर लाइक इट, एंड आई वाज 18 years old दैट टाइम। एंड फिर जब मैं रास्ते में आ रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट क्राइंग एंड आई एम होल्डिंग माई सेल्फ कि ये क्या था। देन आई एम लाइक ठीक है, एक्सपीरियंस है, कभी आगे चल के बताऊँगी इंटरव्यू में कैसा हुआ था। बट देन यू नो यू कलेक्ट योर सेल्फ ऐसी, I think I've been collecting myself this way only, that okay, it's okay, no worries, you know, these experience will teach you a lot.
Laksh, I wanted to ask you, I mean, I'm sure you've been asked this several times because we were talking about heartbreak and all of that. You had 2 films which came unstuck, you know, they got launched and all of that. Were there any lessons that you, you know, don't put all your hopes on one film? Was there anything like that you learned from those experiences?
I think I learned the lesson of humility by waiting. Because I think when I was doing television, I did a show called Porous. और उसमें कैरेक्टर काफ़ी किंगली था, काफ़ी लार्जर देन लाइफ था. तो और ऑल्सो क्या होता है, टीवी में आपको इंस्टेंट सक्सेस मिलती है. जब आप एक शो करते हो, आपको तरक्की मिलती है, अचानक से लोग पहचाने लगते हैं, सड़कों पे आप जाते हो, सब बोलते हैं अरे यार ये तो वो है, तो आपको अच्छा लगता है अपने बारे में. और मैं आई वॉज 21 years old दैट टाइम, 21, 22. तो वो चीज़ थोड़ी सी सर पे चढ़ गई थी, मुझे लगता है मेरे. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि शायद यार आई हैव अराइव्ड एंड थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन माय फेवर, इट्स माय टाइम. और फिर दोस्ताना भी हो गई. धर्मा ऑल्सो आई क्रैक्ड इन लाइक 7 months, आई क्रैक्ड ऑल द ऑडिशंस, एवरीथिंग वेंट प्रीटी फास्ट. तो उसके बाद तो जो भी हुआ आई थिंक अच्छे के लिए हुआ. मुझे वो थोड़ा समय चाहिए था अपने साथ. कभी कभार आप रेडी नहीं होते किसी चीज़ के लिए, तो मुझे लगता है मैं रेडी नहीं था उस चीज़ के लिए, उस अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए. और अच्छा वो नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. अगर वो होता तो आज ये नहीं होता.
Is there like a heartbreak moment where you're like you I have of course spoken about it. It's interesting you all have talked about your auditions where he said you know from their body like they're not even interested in you. So like how have you faced your rejections is something which has always, you know, interested me. Why? Because we live in the world of social media. Everything is out now that you're actors. Every little you have to be very careful. Your moves. It's a camouflage. It's everything. Like Anurag Kashyap recently said, you know, there is everything. Your managements train you to talk to the press in a certain way. So like, are you all able to make that distinction between, okay, this is my heartbreak moment, I'm really going through hell, and then suddenly you have to be this really cool, collected person for social media where you get your best Instagram picture out and all. Is there like, is it almost bipolar?
Heartbreak nahi, but I'm sure everyone goes through that phase where they're really not up for it, but they have to do it. And with acting, matlab, agar on camera hai, so you really just have to maybe look the part. I mean, I've gone through phases where I was, you know, either really sick or really not in a good mood, but I have to like laugh and enjoy, and those things are like, you know, it's not like really heartbreak, but as an actor you need to be able to switch it on and switch it off. I think there's no choice. You can't let your internal baggage, you know, carry on to a set or at work or even in, you know, an interview space. So wo cheez, I think an actor needs to kind of just learn.
I think for me, I love being in front of camera. Like this, जो अभी मेरे साथ लाइफ में हो रहा है ना, ये मैंने बहुत हमेशा से होप किया है. तो अब अगर कभी मेरा बुरा दिन भी होता है ना, बट आई नो दैट अच्छा मुझे कल मेरा बहुत एक्साइटिंग डे, आई हैव टू फेस कैमरा एंड ऑल, यार ठीक है यार छोड़ो रो लो अभी रो लो, कल तो मज़े करने हैं. आई थिंक आई सी इट दैट वे. और मुझे हाँ मतलब बाकी स्विच ऑन तो लाइक वेदांग सेड, वो आपको आना ही चाहिए. बिकॉज ये भी होता है कि कभी कभी आप कुछ परफॉर्म कर रहे हो एंड कोई इमोशन आपके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा रह जाता है. समटाइम्स यू टेंड टू टेक इट बैक होम. यू शुड नो हाउ टू डिस्कनेक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट. आफ्टर इनफैक्ट एक प्रोजेक्ट खत्म करने के बाद, यू नो, व्हेन यू से बाय बाय टू एवरीवन, लाइक दैट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट मोमेंट. यू नो, आप इतना टाइम सब साथ में रहे हो एंड देन सडनली कल से सबकी लाइफ्स अलग अलग हो जाएंगी. सो यू should know how to disconnect.
जो असल ज़िंदगी में हो रहा है वो मेरे कैमरा के काम को उतना हैम्पर नहीं करता, पर जो मैं कैमरा पे काम करता हूँ, मेरे कैरेक्टर्स, वो मेरी असल ज़िंदगी में ज़रूर चले जाते हैं. like Deepak for that sense, Sunny from Jamtara. तो it takes a little time for me to disconnect from my characters what I have performed. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं रह जाते हैं. So I think that is something that hampers me a little. But असल ज़िंदगी में जो हो रहा है वो इतना हैम्पर नहीं करता है मुझे. नहीं. I mean, I remember one incident where one of my family member died and I was shooting and the person was really close to me. And I'm shooting, but I mean, I won't call myself very less sensitive, but उसने मुझे इतना hamper नहीं किया उस समय, पता नहीं क्यों. But I think what I perform on camera, वो मेरे साथ कहीं ना कहीं रह जाता है.
Also, I feel as actors, we are very detached also.
I think he's right. Yeah.
इतनी जल्दी चीज़ों का असर पड़ता नहीं है. पता नहीं क्यों, जो पढ़ना चाहिए वैसे. मतलब सिमिलर स्टोरी मेरे साथ भी हुई थी. आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर दिस टेलीविजन शो दैट आई वाज मेंशनिंग, पोरस करके एक शो था. आरिफ हाँ, डायरेक्टर का नाम था. तो मेरा सीन है कि मेरा भाई है, उसके साथ हमारी एक थोड़ी सी तू तड़ाक हो गई, तो काफ़ी आर्गुमेंट पे पहुंच जाते हैं एंड इवेंचुअली इट गेट्स इनटू अ फिजिकल ब्रॉल बिटवीन टू ब्रदर्स। तो उसी एक रात पहले मुझे फ़ोन आता है मेरे स्कूल से, मतलब स्कूल मेरा दोस्त था, कि उनका इंतकाल हो गया है, जो मेरे बहुत अच्छा दोस्त था। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आई हैड टू शूट दिस सीन। सो अब आप बैठे हो, अब मैं रोया, ऑफ कोर्स यू रिएक्ट, पहले तो आपको निकलता ना कि आप, और मेरे को 4 साल हो गए थे, मिला नहीं था उस समय, और सीधा ये न्यूज़ आई उसके बारे में। तो जो बोला काफ़ी सही बोला कि सुबह उठ के ऐसा लगा कि शायद हुआ है, नहीं हुआ है, अपने आप से झूठ बोलते हो आपके, शायद नहीं हुआ होगा यार, आगे बढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं। उसके बाद आई थिंक 1 हफ्ते बाद जाके वो सिंक इन हुआ है कि क्या हुआ है, और तब समझ में आया कि वो शिट काफ़ी कुछ हो गया है। सो आई थिंक एज एक्टर्स इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे डिटैच्ड, बिकॉज बाहर तो चल ही रहा है ना, सोशल मीडिया है, ये है, लोग वैसी गाली बकने वाले हैं, क्रिटिसाइज करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज यू मूविंग फ्रॉम वन कैरेक्टर टू द अदर। सो इट्स, आई थिंक इट्स बेनिफिशियल ओनली इफ यू learn this craft of getting being
Detachment also
detached.
comes from that audition process. मतलब मेरी लाइफ में मैंने इतना रिजेक्शन कभी फेस नहीं किया है. To be honest, I started when I was in college. तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे कुछ था नहीं कि I was facing any rejection in life. वो कोई opportunity नहीं था to face that. Plus I was doing well in my studies. वो सब चल रहा था. Only real rejection I faced was during that audition process. और फिर तुम एक character में घुसते हो, you know, for an audition, and then suddenly you're out of it, and that keeps going on and on and on and on. And it's, I think for everyone, it's always more rejection than getting something. Always, the odds are always against you. So वो एक बहुत interesting learning process है. I don't think we face that so much in life. I guess when you're applying for jobs, it's kind of the same thing. But इतना rejection because you do so many of them, that kind of hardens you. I think it toughens you.
How do you hack social media? Like, do you think social media is real? Do you think it's a fair barometer of where you are going as an actor? Do you think it's real? And how important is it for you to advance your career?
वेरी नॉर्मल लाइफ. सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ मन करता था तो मैं पोस्ट करती थी, नहीं मन करता था मैं पोस्ट नहीं करती थी. मैं अभी भी ऐसी हूँ. सोशल मीडिया, हाँ मैं ये मानती हूँ, सोशल मीडिया को साथ में डेवलप करने से ये हो रहा है कि यू नो आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग सम पेड कैंपेन्स, तो उससे मुझे ना पैसा मिल जाता है. एंड यू नो यू आर देन यू फील सिक्योर कि ठीक है, यू कैन चूज बिटवीन योर वर्क. ऐसा नहीं फिर आपको काम कुछ करना पड़ रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज आपका मनी फिल इन नहीं हो रहा है. एंड अदर देन दैट आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया, I don't see social media as a real world. Recently only happened that, you know, I posted a photo in a bodysuit and बहुत सारे comments थे, and it was also very different for my audience because they had not seen me in that way.
Comments, you mean sexual comments?
Yeah, very
Okay.
bad comments. तो पहले तो मैं पढ़ रही थी and I'm like, okay, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Instantly, I just realized all my girlfriends, they came under my comment section and they started appreciating me that, oh my God, you know, our joy is on the floor, you look so flawless. And it's important to have that support system with you. फिर आपको ना वो चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करेगी, फिर चाहे वो ट्रोलिंग हो या फिर कोई कमेंट कर रहा है. It's important to have like a good thick system with you.
With social media, you definitely keep yourself detached, but it's a good platform, I think. I mean, ऑडियंस तो है ही है ना वहाँ पे, जो अगली तरफ आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, कमेंट कर रहे हैं, ट्रॉल कर रहे हैं, तो वो इंसान ही. तो आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छा स्पॉट है अपनी बात कहने का, बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर आई फील रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू, यू नो, say something that maybe brings a smile or teaches something to someone. So I think I see social media in that sense as a tool to become a voice, to talk to people, to tell them, see, this is what I'm feeling and I want to spread this. तो आई थिंक आई सी इट एज अ टूल, बट डजंट रियली हैम्पर मी कि लोग क्या बातें कर रहे हैं, क्या गलत बोल रहे हैं. वो मुझे इतना फेस भी नहीं किया है ऑनेस्टली अभी तक, और इतना अगर होगा भी तो मेरे को वो इतना हैम्पर करता नहीं है ऑनेस्टली.
My social media game to my team knows how great it is. See, for me, social media, I'm trying to find a balance जहाँ पे लोग जाने भी और नहीं भी जाने मेरे बारे में. Because as an actor, it's very important to maintain that mystery around you, I feel. Because जिनको अगर आप देखोगे, if you talk about रणबीर कपूर, वो अपने काम करता है, फिल्में देता है और चला जाता है, और फिल्में जो करती हैं वो करती हैं. I don't think your followers are translating into box office collection. That is not going to happen. तो क्यों एफर्ट कर रहे हो उतना? जो हो, जब मेरा मन करता है मैं डालता हूँ. मेरा डॉग होता है, वो कुछ फनी हरकतें कर रही होती है तो मैं डाल देता हूँ, ले भाई ये कर रही है, मेरे दोस्त मिल गए तो मैंने डाल दिया. लेकिन मैं एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं मार रहा कि यार मुझे ऐसा दिखना है, ऐसा साउंड करना है, या एक्सेप्टेंस चाहिए मुझे, वो नहीं करूँगा मैं. बिकॉज वो मेरे दिमाग से खेलता है वो चीज़ें. क्योंकि एटलीस्ट जो मैं हूँ वो मैंने डाला, उसके बाद गाली पड़ेगी ठीक है यार, वो तुमने अभी वाईफाई लगा रखा है तो गाली तो पड़ेगी तुम्हें. एज सिंपल एज दैट. तो ठीक है, इतना सीरियसली मैं लेता नहीं हूँ उस शो, और ना ही लेना चाहता हूँ. बिकॉज रियलिटी से बहुत परे है वो चीज़.
For me, वो मतलब that dichotomy is very क्योंकि you're doing everything for the people only. मतलब जो आप फिल्में बना रहे हो, you're trying to, as an actor, as a entertainer, you're trying to entertain the audience, trying to engage the audience, move the audience, and then so it's like मैं जानना भी चाहता हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं. You know, I really want to know what they feel, but it's also like, is this real or is this not real? Will someone come up to me in person and say the same thing? तो वो एक balance ढूंढना is difficult. और कभी कभी it affects me. I won't lie. I think I'm still trying to get to that वो zen
Like,
state.
what was the last thing that affected you? Something.
Last thing मतलब
Maybe when
just to
Jigra
see.
did badly or something
Sure,
like that.
sure. Because like मतलब इतनी effort is put into a film in the filming process, and you don't feel it from your end as an actor, more for everybody as a whole, as a unit. And the intention is to always make a good film, yeah. You know, everyone is putting all their effort into that space. And I felt that energy, and I felt that, you know, that disappointment when it didn't do well. And just to see that, and I don't take it as like, oh, ye galat bol rahe hain. It's always just that I wish that could be different. So
But it's
that
getting
way,
a lot of love on its release on the platform.
yeah, it's actually been like a true, you know, mixed bag in terms of people who've loved it have really loved it, and people who have not liked it have not taken to it. They just didn't buy into it, which is actually, as an artist, like a good, maybe it's a good space to be in, because you don't want to. If everyone thought ki, हाँ ठीक है, whatever, I think that's worse than people hating it and loving it. And I know that I felt that true love also. I've dealt with, you know, the release for 2 of our films. They were very different responses, and this time really people like said that they loved it also. So it's interesting. It's nice to see how people are reacting to things. मैं भी समझ जाता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत कि audience क्या चाहती है. But the social media thing, it's like, it's tricky. For me, it's tricky. If it was up to me, I think I would not have it. I'd love to just stay away from it, but honestly, it's an avenue. We see it from a pure like business point of view. It's an avenue, and I think I'd take an effort to kind of keep it active and grow it. There was phases where I hated it. मुझे मन ही नहीं लगता. I hate that वो post करना है and that pressure of.
और सबसे बड़ा caption.
Caption. Oh my
तुम
god.
तो हिंदी में लिख सकते हो कैप्शन अच्छे अच्छे.
जितना आता है लिख देता हूँ मैं, लेकिन फिर बाद में इमोटिकॉन से डाल रहा होता हूँ.
हाँ भाई, वो बेस्ट होता है, सबसे easiest होता है.
और फिर गाना सेलेक्ट करना.
गाना सेलेक्ट करना.
इट्स नेवर एंडिंग, कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा है.
हाँ, गाने ट्रैक होते हैं तो गाना सेलेक्ट करो.
All of you are rank outsiders. You'll never had any kind of, and there's this huge, which I think is completely purposeless, but there's this huge nepotism debate that is. But having said that, as outsiders, did you feel more welcomed by an industry? And also, what were the learnings as outsiders? You feel the insider kids have a kind of, I don't see any advantage beyond of course, the first film, the second film. After that, it's all fair play. But do you see, as outsiders, do you see the struggle is double? Or do you see the way people, directors, relating to you differently? Is there any sort of, and feel candid, if you don't wish to answer this is also absolutely fine, but you feel that any, because I know Zoya is not that person. She would never, she's away, it's all fair play. I know for a fact Kiran is that person. But do you feel that, did you feel any different?
I feel like abhi na, to answer that question, I feel like we'll all lose perspective. Because when you're outside na, now we have reached a point where we're doing work. When you're outside, then you look at it with a bit of disdain. Then you look at ki this is something that's happening and they want to only promote people. Yeah. So once you come inside, now I realize, and it was subconscious, ki I look at it a very different type of view. Ki matlab this debate is like a greater debate of life. When I was in college, I keep saying this thing, when I was in university and I was trying to really work hard for my grades, there was a friend of mine who just didn't care. And, he used to barely pass, and all he used to be happy was with passing. And mainly the GPA was important because I was thinking, if I want to go abroad, I need, a particular amount of, percentage. And he never had that pressure because he said, I'm going to join my dad's business. So I'm like, I've seen, it's the greater debate of life. Matlab, it's everywhere. To some degree, it's everywhere. So then you curse yourself for being born into a family that, you know. So it's endless. It's endless. Now I look at it as a perspective ki hai, it's there, and like in the
star kids do have an advantage.
that initial advantage is there, but that's everyone accepts it. Everyone like acknowledges it. That initial advantage of getting into it is obviously there, and then it's about you. After that, after your first film or first couple of films, then it's about how good you are, and that'll keep you going in the long run. I think everyone's kind of in consensus with that. कि मतलब पहले होता है.
So yeah, I think it's the first film which is
The first break is, I think you can say, advantage है थोड़ा सा, but वो भी इसलिए नहीं कि आप सिर्फ अगर एक्टर के point of view से सोचोगे तो चीज़ें अलग हैं, लेकिन I think it's also business at the end of the day. There's a lot of money involved when you make a film. So when whosoever is putting money, they will also think about recovery, how to recover that money. तो अगर आप एक प्रोड्यूसर हो, फाइनेंशियर हो, आपने पैसा लगाया एक फिल्म के अंदर, तो आप सोच रहे हो कि अच्छा मैंने अगर 50 करोड़ लगाया तो मैं इसको रिकवर कैसे करूँ. तो स्टोरी आएगी, सब कुछ आएगा, उसके बाद आती है द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कास्ट, whom to cast now. So say there's a very big star, okay, there's a lot of mystery around him, there's a lot of people know him, people love him, उनके सुपुत्र हैं या उनकी बेटी हैं या कोई भी है, तो उनको कास्ट करना कम से कम, तो उनको कास्ट करना कम से कम, you know कि अच्छा चलो उनको हम कास्ट करेंगे, so there's a lot of mystery around the father or the mother. At least that will get the audience to the theaters to watch. I feel that's my perspective on things. The only place it goes wrong for me is when the opportunity gets snatched away. जो मुझे मिलना था वो किसी और के पास चला गया, because no, अभी तक नहीं हुआ है.
No, the first audition you gave, na, where
कौन
the
सा?
name was written Ranveer Singh and you were his boy.
वो तो I was punching up my weight, bro. So I feel that's my point of view on things. कि यार वो अगर उस point of view से सोचोगे तो वो भी गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझ पे क्यों पैसा कोई लगाएगा, because मेरे आसपास कोई मिस्ट्री नहीं है, कोई मेरे आसपास, मतलब क्यों देखना चाहेंगे, मीडिया कहाँ जा रही है आज भी, अगर आप देखते हो द पैप कल्चर, आई मीन इट्स वेरी एविडेंट, नो. सो you see, and जो आप जो देखते हो वही बिकता है.
So have you paid to get the paps to come and click you?
तो कोई तो आए. अगर दिया होता तो कोई तो आता, हमारी कोई पैप वीडियो नहीं आती बाहर. एक बार कोई आ गया था एयरपोर्ट में, मैं सोता हुआ बाहर आया, मैंने कहा कैमरे क्यों यार, तो मतलब मैं इतना अनप्रिपेयर्ड होता हूँ, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं होता कि कहाँ है.
But I think fortunately today, I mean the makers and everyone believes in the content more than the star power or the name behind it. Because सबको I think एक ये समझ तो आने ही लगी है कि even if you bring the stars in your film, if you don't have a great story and great performances in the film will not work. And I think fortunately we have had great makers around, जिन्होंने we have taken that risk with us. So as you said, was industry welcoming for us? I think yes, totally, absolutely.
For us, definitely it was very welcoming because जब आपने इंडस्ट्री में ब्रेक इन नहीं किया होता ना, उससे पहले बहुत सारे थॉट्स आपके हेड में होते हैं कि क्या लोग हमें एक्सेप्ट भी करेंगे, हमारा काम अच्छा भी लगेगा. बट आई थिंक जब लापता लेडीज़ रिलीज़ हुई है उसके बाद पूरी इंडस्ट्री ने कितना सपोर्ट किया है हमें. लाइक एवरीवन वाज शेयरिंग अबाउट लापता लेडीज़ एंड आई वाज लिविंग अ ड्रीम दैट मोमेंट कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है. एंड फिर जब ऑस्कर्स में गई है उसके बाद भी अलग ही वेव थी. So I feel that industry has welcomed us very beautifully.
काम अच्छा है तो हर वेलकम करेंगे ना लोग यार, सिंपल एज दैट, चाहे वो कोई भी काम करे.
मतलब one great example, sorry.
हाँ नहीं बोल.
Great example is कांतारा. मुझे नहीं पता था साउथ की फिल्म है, मतलब ऑडियंस को पता ही नहीं था ना, वो तो वहाँ रिलीज हुई है साउथ में, बट वो फिल्म में इतनी दम थी कि उसने अपने थिएटर्स खुद कमाए एंड पीपल वांटेड टू वॉच इट इन हिंदी एज वेल, सो देन दे डब्ड इट. सो आई थिंक अ ग्रेट कंटेंट इज ग्रेट कंटेंट इन द एंड.
This question I wanted to ask all three of you. You worked with somebody with a solid feminine gaze like Zoya and Kiran, and then you obviously worked with a very male director like Vasan Bala, and I'm sure you guys are working with. Do you find a difference between the feminine and the male gaze as directors?
In terms of being the the head of a team or being able to command the set, मुझे ऐसे कुछ feel नहीं हुआ. But also you're talking about Zoya, who's a strong personality, who's been doing this for a while. She knows her work, is confident in it, and is one of the best makers in our industry. So I never felt, I don't know, maybe I never thought of it like that. I say the thought never came. Yeah.
I think for me it's more about comfort. Like when I'm performing in front of a female director, it's about the relatability. अगर मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ, it just becomes very easy. The communication becomes very easy क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हर लड़की लाइफ में सेम फेजेस से जाती है. Like the kind of experiences I've had, maybe किरण मैम ने वैसे ही कुछ एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंटली एक्सपीरियंस किए होंगे, बट वो एक रिलेटेबिलिटी रहती है. इट्स ईजियर टू कम्युनिकेट एंड द कम्फर्ट इज़ देयर. लाइक whatever said and done, if there's a female director and I have to perform a bold scene also, I'll be more comfortable with females around me. क्योंकि majority भी देखती हूँ मैं set पे जाती हूँ 70% I think लड़के ही होते हैं, females हमें बहुत कम दिखती है. सिर्फ wardrobe, hair, makeup में maximum times you see like okay there's a female जिनके साथ तुम्हारी इंट्रैक्शन हो रही है, अदरवाइज सब लड़के ही होते हैं. सो आई थिंक जब एक फीमेल डायरेक्टर ऐसे एटमोसफेयर में होती है, एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत ईज आउट हो जाती है चीज़ें. यू फील मोर कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज यू नो जो सेट रन कर रहा है वो एक फीमेल डायरेक्टर है, एंड यू कैन लाइक नाइसली गो एंड कम्युनिकेट अबाउट हाउ यू फीलिंग. इफ यू फीलिंग under confident, you can just go and say, ma'am, like, and I don't know, it's just easy. It's very easy.
As boys, is it easier for you to communicate with a female director?
Actually, it was much easier. Yeah. Girls are great at communication. We as boys are bad at it. So I think it was really easy to communicate anything and everything to Kiran. But to answer your question, would there be a difference if a male director would have directed Lapata Ladies? What I assume is that the sensibilities are a little different, because when a girl says a girl story, they have experience and gone through the layers of it, so they can say it better maybe. But to answer it completely, I think I would have to experience it again and shoot Lapata Ladies again with a male director maybe.
But like girls will be girls. Yeah. I can't ever imagine a male director.
Yeah, I mean, I was
That wo perspective. So I guess like a perspective change. But as an actor, मुझे in my experience मुझे feel नहीं हुआ. But like you can't, like certain things only a female can speak from her experience for a film like that, for example. It wouldn't work on any other way.
Also I asked this because you came from, you were doing Hira Mandi, which is crazy, chaotic, mad, larger than life, everything that I don't need to spell out, but is there in there. And then there is Lapata Lady. So that was almost schizophrenic, and you were almost shooting at the same time, right?
Like I finished Lapata and then next.
Okay, you finished.
Yeah,
so I was thinking,
after a week.
maybe she was going from the yin to the yang.
As he said, you take a little while to detach from your character. Like I was also so invested in Jaya that I was very excited when I was playing Shama also. So that excitement really pulled me through. Ki chal theek hai, you have something.
How many days did you shoot Lapata and how many days did you shoot Hira Mandi? 100 and 1000
Lapata
days.
Ladies we shot for 45 days.
Yeah, but Hira Mandi I have no count.
20,000.
Like we reshot so much, like every day something or the other would happen. But it was so nice being there क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ थी. Like you get to talk to so many people, like Manisha ma'am, like she was such a nice constant support system. Like she would tell me that हमारे time पे shooting कैसे होती थी, हम तो यहाँ से वहाँ जाते थे, 3 ships होती थी. But you guys are so lucky. You know so much. You guys are so well aware. She said that back then we were not that aware. So she should just give your 100% and be as honest you can. Like वही चीज़ तुम्हें आगे ले जाएगी. और तो ठीक है यार, तुम आज काम कर रहे हो, कल काम नहीं कर रहे हो. But be humble and be honest.
Have there been actors, like you worked with Alia, like she was talking about Manisha Koirala. Have there been any actor who you've really been inspired and you said, oh, this is a great trajectory too, or any kind of advice that somebody has given you which has really stayed with you? Has there been something like that?
I think this one recent podcast I was doing, so वहाँ पे Gulshan Devaiya was there. I'm a huge fan of Gulshan Devaiya. And my question to him was that how do you make your character so different from the one you have performed previously? Because you see Gulshan Devaiya in 2 different performances, you'll see 2 different men performing it. So what one great advice he said was that कि वो असल ज़िंदगी में भी ना एक character play करते रहते हैं. So if he's sitting with you here, talking to you, he's playing a character, which is crazy, I think. So that's one great advice I've had.
When I got into this scene, obviously there's actors that you admire, so you want to be like, Acha, I'd love to do something, what they were doing. There was Ranbir, obviously, who I was looking up to at the time when Rockstar came out and all those films came out. और मेरा dream था कि मैं character play करूँगा जो musician है. So, that thing was exciting me, and that trajectory, start off like this and then. But as you actually start doing it, वो practically you can't plan it. वो हो ही नहीं सकता plan कि अब मैं rom-com करूँगा और फिर उसके बाद ये करूँगा. ऐसे नहीं होता. I think जब project मिलते हैं, things work out, you read something, you like it, and then you realize कि, and anyways all those typical trajectories and all वो अब खत्म हो गया. I feel कि you can't go that same route कि पहले हम rom-com फिर वो you know chocolate boy और फिर action hero और फिर ये
Yeah,
ऐसे कुछ
everybody
नहीं.
has their own journey.
Everyone has their own
But
journey and now especially
people
it's changed.
say that you look like Ranveer Singh? The energies are different, but do they say that?
Yeah, they've said it quite a bit. It's what I heard for a good chunk of me entering the industry. But मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. But I guess if a lot of people see it, then कुछ होगा. Some truth. I don't see it.
I mean, as he said, मतलब सबकी journey इतनी different है. I remember I was coming back from Dubai. I was just there for a vacation, and John was in the same flight, John Abraham. तो उन्होंने फिल्म देखी हुई थी मेरी, तो बोला, काफ़ी तारीफ की, यार काफ़ी अच्छी लगी फिल्म, ये की वो की. तो उन्होंने बोला कि यार एक ही चीज़ याद रखना, बस टाइम पे जाना काम पे, और कुछ बाकी हो जाएगा जो होना है. मैंने कहा सही है. Short and sweet, and that actually works. Like be on time, value people's time, and advice देखो सबकी, मतलब हर कोई बोलता है आपको याद रहती है, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें नहीं याद रहती हैं आपको. तो जो याद रहता है वो याद रखो और बस आगे बढ़ो. I mean, yeah, be on time is it's as basic but very important, I feel. So just be on time and be kind.
I have to ask you this tricky question because he's talked about advice. What's the worst and the best piece of advice that you've received?
I think मेरे साथ वो audition phase में हुआ था, when you know there's certain assistants and all, they help you and they are the ones who are kind of the directors for your scene. है ना, they will tell you कि ये scene ऐसे flow होता है, ये character ऐसे होता है, ऐसे होता है. And then I realized कि maybe things don't really go like that when I came out of that audition वाला space. So I guess that kind of advice, not really life advice but more acting related. Best advice is just something like this. Just I've always heard since day one when I didn't even understand कि वो किस बात के लिए humble हूँ, is be humble. You know, always stay grounded, be humble. And I heard it so much that now it's like drilled in me. I can't see it any other way. And this was before like I even knew anything to be humble about or hai kya life mein. That's one advice I heard. And be honest. Be honest as in be honest about yourself. Ki even in like in this interview space, it's very interesting that perspective ki you can play a character in different places that you go. But I feel like that facade will, at the end of the day, people will see through it.
But actors are mostly acting. 24/7 they're acting. There's no doubt
I'm
about
not
that.
acting right now.
And now no, but generally a lot of actors, there is a camouflage. I've sensed it as an interviewer. I know that person is acting. His thought bubble is different, but what he's telling me is different.
Sure, but that camouflage I think is because of the fear of reception. सोशल मीडिया हो या जो भी हो या आर्टिकल्स हो, प्रेस हो, क्योंकि एक कुछ भी बोल दिया उसका कुछ भी हो जाता है. हाँ, ये that you've seen also, मेरे साथ already हो गया है कि you say something completely taken out of context.
He doesn't want to say the bad things.
अब तो जानना है.
देखो, just look at them.
अब तो
They're
बोल.
saying no. You can say a word and it can be taken completely out of context.
Misconstrued. I get it.
And so then you're like, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ? Then you get that.
I know, but it's okay.
that block comes, that wall comes कि I don't want to say anything that may be misconstrued. And I've also felt that fear, but I can't behave abnormally. I can't behave like I'm who I'm not. वो नहीं हो पाएगा.
You know, one good thing about Vedang that I feel is that he's less pretentious. I mean, I've seen actors, I don't want to name any of them, but they're highly pretentious. You talk to them, they're different. Suddenly they come for an interview, they're different. घर पे मिलोगे, they're different. तो वो ना मुझे बड़े ही अजीब लोग लगते हैं. But I really like that about Vedang, that he's very less pretentious. And I mean, वो wall रहता होगा because he have to put that nice face around, but वो काफी कम pretentious है. He's very chilled out. So I really like that about Vedang.
Thank you.
You know, actually, Vedang gives this impression of being very cocky and disdainful because I think he's just reserved. I think he's just reserved.
Everyone has
I
always
used to feel that about Lakshya also earlier, but then when you talk to them, you get a very different.
You know, Kanye West in one of the interviews said that the most real people you'll meet in life, they'll make you uncomfortable at the first meeting. Remember when I came for the roundtable last time? You were like, you're looking, what happened to you?
हाँ, तुम आधे घंटे लेट थे तो तुम्हारी गलती थी, मेरी गलती थोड़ी थी.
Kanye West का setup तो नहीं इसलिए कर रही.
वही. So quickly, the best and worst piece of advice. He said it. Is there anything that?
I think best advice तो सभी देते हैं. Mostly मुझे यही बोला है कि be the way you are. Like we like how पहाड़ीness, the पहाड़ीness that you have, keep that with you. And I want to keep that also because I feel so connected with my pahadiness. And worst advice तो I think people लोग देते ही रहते हैं. And I don't want to get that.
Like, have you been told to put fillers, change your lips, change your nose?
No, that way people say that you have good genes. तो वो मेरे को उतना किसी
Because
ने
a lot
बोला
of
नहीं।
youngsters say I was told to change my nose and I was told to change my jaws and become an
मुझे
assembly.
बोला।
तुझे you have been told that? Wow.
In fact, Amir sir gave me very nice advice that you have a very different face. We can put you into anything and you'll take that shape. And sir said that that's something with your face that really is very different. So I'm like, oh, thanks sir, that's nice.
Anybody else wants to add to that?
See, the worst can be this also यार कि be humble, be grounded ना कभी इतने humble हो जाते हो आप कि आपको पता ही नहीं humble क्यों हो आप तुम ज़्यादा ही झुकने लग जाओगे ज़्यादा ही सर थैंक यू सर ठीक है यार
But आप लोग acting नहीं करते real life में. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं देखो एक्टिंग सब कर रहे हैं एवरीबडी विल ट्राई टू पुट देयर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड ताकि हम बेस्ट लगें हम सबसे इंटेलिजेंट साउंड हो सब कर रहे होते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा तो यार बट ठीक है आई मीन एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर बीइंग 80% ऑनेस्ट आई फील यू आर देयर eventually you'll get there 100% honesty is there.
My question to all of you is if you had to do one thing differently about Skill, Lapata Ladies, Archies or Jigra, if you were allowed to revisit, is there something that you would do differently?
खुद के performance में तो you always feel when I saw Archies for the first time I was just like I can't look at myself. I wanted to change everything कि वापस मैं शायद set पे जा सकता do that scene again. So I think as an actor, I don't know if anyone, I don't at least, when I look at my work and be like, good job. ऐसे कभी नहीं हो सकता. I'll never feel completely content with my work. And so there's a million things. I don't like watching my scenes also, because I'll always be like, I could do this better or that better. But I think that's an endless
But
pursuit.
the Jigra jail sequences were rather well done. You were very good in.
Thank you.
I mean, I found you awkward in the first few sequences, but the jail sequences were outstanding. Very,
Thank you.
very,
Yeah,
very,
that expression you had, yeah, I remember exactly what you were talking about. It was amazing, bro. काफी खतरनाक वो that expression of yours said a million words. काफी मजा आया देख के.
well done.
Thank you. But always, I look at that performance and there's many things I could definitely do better. But you learn, yeah. I think I'm also just getting into it. Jigra was happening when Archies wasn't even released. So there's so much I've learned from the reception for both
So you
films.
shot Jigra before Archies was even released?
Yeah, before it was released, or just about when it was. So when the promotions had started.
Okay. Because you have the short haircut.
Yeah,
now.
that's when I started shooting for Jigra.
For me, I don't know what I want to change. I think now I'm quite okay with it. Like मैंने accept कर लिया जो है जैसा है. But of course, what like he said initially, when I saw the film, जैसे ही जया का घूंघट उठता है मेरी आंखें बंद हो जाती है. And I'm like, oh God, it was like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes you're feeling that high and then you're going down, and it's just so beautiful and magical. But I don't know what I want. I don't think so that I want to change anything because that character has given me so much of love, and I feel happy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is, and maybe I'm gonna जो learnings रही हैं वो मैं अपने next projects में of course definitely I'm gonna implement that. But other than that, yeah.
I think the first time I saw the film before it released, I saw the film and I thought it's a disaster. मैंने बहुत ही गंदी performance की है और ये मैंने completely I have done a big blunder. The film should not release. That's what I thought the first time. But then because you can't watch when you see it for the first time, you can't watch it as an audience. So you have to watch it like multiple times to get to that sensibility where you can see it as an audience. I think, but now, when I saw it for the first time, I thought I should change the complete character. मेरे को पूरा delete कर दो picture से. But now when I see the reaction of the audience, and then even now when I see the film, I think no, it was pretty good. Not the best performance I've done ever, but.
But I think अब हम थोड़ा distance से भी देख रहे हैं ना.
It's very hard to enjoy your own films, I feel. अपना काम enjoy करना
No,
बहुत
you were
difficult
very
है.
good. Yes, Mr. Kill.
Mr. Kill. No, my only fear is what if I want to change और मैं खराब कर दूँ. So I don't want to change anything. My only job was to put my 100% जो हम सब ने किया अपने काम के अंदर तो अपना बेस्ट करो. अब जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है वो आएगा. मालूम पड़ा चेंज करने के चक्कर में और खराब कर दिया आपने जो करना है. क्यों करना है वो? ठीक है अभी हो गया जो होना था. अब अपनी परफॉर्मेंस देख के जो लगा खराब किया उसको बेहतर करो अगली बार में बस यही कर सकते हो आप.
Okay, and now I'm guessing with the exception of Vedang, all of you are single and willing to mingle. What is the kind of DMs that you get in your this thing? The kind of you don't have to mention anything explicit, but what is the kind of DMs that you get? Do boys ask you out? Do girls ask you out? What is the kind of?
The one DM that really comes in is अपनी सजनी बना लो. सजनी रेनो सर, मैं आपकी सजनी बनना चाहती हूँ. And that's really sweet though.
प्रतिभा इतना सोचो मत.
नहीं जेन्युइनली मुझे सब ये बोल रहे हैं कि ये क्या कर रही हो तुम, एग्रीकल्चर की पढ़ाई करने वाली थी, वो छोड़ के तुम क्या कर रही हो ये. तो आई थिंक मैक्सिमम मैं यही कमेंट्स दिखती हूँ.
But nobody's asked you out. No leading actor has asked you out.
मैं अपने DMs उतने चेक भी नहीं करती, वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
अरे मैंने एक नई चीज़ डिस्कवर करी है इन द पास्ट मंथ और सो कि व्हेन यू गो टू योर DMs तो उसमें फिर रिक्वेस्ट पे आता है ना बहुत सारे DMs एंड इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन वहाँ पे हिडन DMs आते हैं.
ओह या यू हैव मोर.
या तो मुझे लगा था कि मुझे अच्छा इतने ही आते हैं. आई सॉ द हिडन, दैट्स लाइक अ
So are they raunchy? Are they nice?
It's crazy. मतलब वो that is like a whole different world of Instagram, like the dark side.
वो समझ के बोल रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
No, he's saying it's a dark
कोई
side.
देख लेगा.
कोई देख लेगा.
So that I just discovered, but now I have a habit of doing it every once in a while. So I go through those DMs.
And yes, the other single man.
I'm pretty much the same, yaar. Kill me with this, with that.
Choke me.
Joke. Choke me, daddy.
Daddy is something I get very often for some reason. Daddy, not with that.
Daddy is really.
And I feel very ashamed to call my dad daddy then. मैं अपने पिताजी को डैडी नहीं बोल पाता यार अब. इतना awkward लगता है यार. मीनिंग ही चेंज हो गया आपके दिमाग में वो.
Can any of you talk about your project, like anything that's in the pipeline? Can you talk about it? How did it, say Lapata Ladies lead to your next project? I know you're shooting. You've yet to shoot. You're shooting. Pratibha's shooting. Pratibha was in Poland when I last spoke to her. So anything that you can talk about, you want to say anything? There's no pressure at all.
Yeah, I mean, I can talk about this one show that's an Amazon Prime release. It's a web show. It's called Dupaiya. They have announced it in the slate also. Sonam Nair have directed it. Yeah, it's a crazy comedy show. So that is coming up. I think when we are closer to the release, तब हम फिर से मिलके बात करेंगे.
That's comedy.
It's a comedy.
Out and out comedy.
Out and out comedy, bro.
Finally, one last, if each of you had to ask each other one question about Kill, Lapata Lady, what is the kind of question you would like to, is there anything that you'd like to ask one another? Like how do you handle this? How do you handle that? Is there something that you
But I would like to ask, I think, both of them that, I mean, Vedang being in a high pressure of always the paparazzis and all of that, how do you keep it so calm, man? I mean, that's really
ऐसे कुछ नहीं
inspiring.
है. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. I don't know. You know what? I think I came in a very different space. So when Archies was happening, I was seeing it firsthand for a while. The only time I was getting papped, for example, was कि कोई और pap हो रहा था मेरे सामने. And I saw that culture like as my first steps into the industry, which is very abnormal. कोई ऐसे मतलब just to see the whole world, around you in your first steps, baby steps into it. So that was like that. वो I think उससे ही मैं culture हो गया in terms of training हो गई मेरी कि this is how they behave, this is how they are, and this is how it kind of goes. So I don't think I feel that pressure anymore. But इतना ज़्यादा कुछ है भी नहीं. I mean.
But he is pretty chilled about it.
Chilled about. And to you, man, is how do you keep it so funny? Like your answers are kick-ass.
By not taking life seriously, man. As well as that.
Best advice we can take away from here.
I mean, asking any actor, I would love to sit with him and her to understand कि process क्या था. लेकिन पता है process actor का पूछना बहुत, जो लगता है इनको खुद नहीं समझ में आया होगा कितना अच्छा काम कर लिया है. So I was talking to Vidyarthi sir, Ashish Vidyarthi. He's in my film Kill. तो मैंने उनको पूछा सर, मैंने कहा सर ये सीन आपने कैसे किया? कह रहा तू आम खाना है यार, गुटलियां क्यों गिन रहा है? तो एक्टर्स को प्रोसेस के बारे में पूछना भी आई थिंक इनको खुद नहीं पता होगा कितना अच्छा काम किया है इसने. पता ही नहीं होता. मतलब आई वुड लव टू नो, बट सेम विद राघव इन माय फिल्म. इफ यू आस्क हिम, हो गया यार, बस हो गया अपने आप. सो दैट्स हाउ ही टॉक्स.
Pratibha, is there anything you like to ask the boys? Dating tips? Anybody who wants to say dating tip?
Actually, tell me one thing. एक character के emotion को hold on करने के लिए, what's the worst thing that you guys have thought? Like होता ना कभी-कभी just to reach a certain level of emotion, you build scenarios. Like what you also said initially that जब किसी की death हुई थी, you guys were not able to feel that emotion that time that strongly, क्योंकि तुमने पहले कभी ऐसा imaginary situation में create किया है अपने लिए that oh shit, you have to cry assuming that your mom is dead and you're actually giving all your energies that moment. हुआ है कभी?
Initial years it was very difficult to कैसे निकालूंगा, रोना कैसे निकालूं, गुस्सा कैसे निकालूं, because पता नहीं है. So I used to create hypothetical situations in my head के ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, लेकिन वो एक समय के बाद काम करना बंद कर गई थी मेरे लिए. ऐसा लगा कि कितनी बार मैं बोलूँगा यार, एक बार मार तो दिया उस इंसान को, कितनी बार मारूँ और दिमाग में. So then it becomes a muscle memory. Yeah, the more you do it, I feel it's acting also for me. I feel it's TV trains you so much के हर शो में मैं कोई ना कोई मरा है मेरा, तो आप रो रहे हो. तो टिपिकल डेली सोच में क्या होता है, मसल मेमोरी बन जाती है कि अच्छा दिस इज यू पुट अ लिटिल ग्लिसरीन, देन यू फील समथिंग, इट्स देन द ब्रेथ कम्स इनटू प्ले, देन द डायलॉग्स आल्सो हेल्प. सो it's I can't tell you exactly what exactly works, but in Kill I had to like really unleash the beast in me. तो इनिशियली मुझे थोड़ा लगा प्रेप, उसके बाद तो फिर आप 5 दिन भी करते हो, 4 दिन भी करते हो, तो आपको पता है कि हाउ टू टैप दैट इमोशन. सो आई थिंक एज एक्टर्स यू नीड टू, मेरे लिए तो वही काम करता है कि हाउ टू टैप दैट इमोशन, बिकॉज अगर आपने एक बार फेस कर लिया तो उसको टैप करना ईजी होता है थोड़ा सा. क्योंकि कितनी बार आप बोलोगे यार कि गुस्सा फील करोगे या किसी को मारोगे अपने दिमाग में, दैट आई कांट डू इट. आई फील
Like when I was doing TV, so same thing. There was a very senior actor there. He said कि मैंने टीवी में इतनी बार अपनी माँ को मार दिया है और मैं इतना रोया हूँ अपनी माँ को मार के कि when actually she passed away, I had zero emotions. I had zero emotions. और मैं प्रोसेस ही नहीं कर पा रहा था कि मैंने इतना सुन लिया था, मेरे ब्रेन ने वो इतना सुन लिया था कि जब मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे रिलेटिव ने बोला तो मैं 2 मिनट के लिए ऐसा था कि अच्छा ओके. सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद यू बोथ आल्सो ना, जब यू गाइस वर शेयरिंग.
And finally, what would you tell your younger self today? Like the guy who wanted to get good grades and go to university abroad. What would you tell him?
Ki relax. I mean, I'm just thinking of all the pressure. I had taken science in the 12th, and the pressure I put on myself for those board exams, like all that, like that still comes back to me. And I'm like, what was the point of it? Because my 12th ka grades came, and then I joined a business school. So those grades didn't really matter because my entrance exam mattered. And all the studying I did for three years in university didn't matter because now I've taken this path. So it's not like the things that you think are like the most important in life may not be. So don't put that pressure on yourself कि इसके लिए ही deliver करना है. Things work out, and there is a greater plan. जो तुम्हें कभी समझ नहीं आएगा, लेकिन वो हो रहा है.
पता नहीं मैं अपने यंगर सेल्फ को तो क्या ही बताऊंगा, बट कभी कभी जब आज मैं प्रेशर में होता हूँ ना, तो मैं अपने यंगर सेल्फ से पूछ लेता हूँ कि यार तू इस सिचुएशन में कैसे डील करता. तो वो ये कहता है कि यार तू बच्चा है, था ना जब तेरे को किसी चीज़ की टेंशन नहीं थी, वो टेंशन मत ले, लेट लाइफ बी अ प्ले एंड प्ले विद इट, डोंट बी टू सीरियस अबाउट इट. सो मेरा बचपना मुझे कभी कभी एडवाइस देता, मोर देन आई गिव एन एडवाइस टू दैट.
I just want to say that, to my younger self, that I'm actually very proud of you because, I was the middle child. So I was like constantly compared. And my best friend, she was a topper. So I've lived my childhood in comparison. So and because of that, I became very rebel. मेरा था अगर मुझे नहीं दोगे तो मैं छीन लूँगी चीज़ by hook or crook. And I became a fighter. And then, I just realized कि उसकी वजह से काफ़ी चीज़ों से मैं डिटैच भी हुई, मैं अपनी फैमिली से भी काफ़ी डिटैच हुई बिकॉज मैंने एट अ यंग एज आई डिसाइडेड आई एम गोना गो टू बॉम्बे, आई एम नॉट गोना मिस यू गाइज, आई एम गोइंग बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड समथिंग. सो आई जस्ट say that I'm really proud of my younger self to think of something like that.
I had a very similar story as yours. Constant comparisons and people around you telling you that you're not good because you're not academically sound. तो वो तो चलता ही है, but to my younger self I would just say that as दोनों ने बहुत same चीज़ बोली है कि take it easy and make friends, make good friends, give time to your family and just try to be happy in any situation. मतलब happiness should not be coming out of कि मैंने ये फिल्म साइन कर ली या ये गाड़ी ले ली या कुछ खरीद लिया. खुशियाँ छोटी चीज़ों में ढूंढना आना चाहिए इंसान को, जो किया नहीं मैं तो I've been working since I was 18 years old. So I could never do that, but yeah, that's something I would tell myself.
Okay, thank you all you wonderful actors who've taken time off to spend, and I hope that all of you will continue to show the promise and brilliance that you've showed in your first film and future projects. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.